Electronic devices. They are everywhere, in our phones, Wi-Fi routers, thermostats, and more. But what makes them work better, faster, and more efficiently over time? The answer lies in advancements in their small components. Improvements in performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness are all thanks to constant innovation in electronic devices. But why does this matter? Miniaturization is essential for developing the next generation of electronics. By studying devices at such a small scale, we can solve problems like enhance the reliability and decrease device failure, decrease device weight, and increase performance and low-cost options. This is why shrinking electronic devices is so important for developing the next generation of electronics. As we shrink these devices down, it becomes crucial to understand how tiny changes at the atomic level impact their performance. This is where transmission electron microscopy, or in situ TEM, comes in. TEM lets us observe how electronic devices behave at the nanoscale in real time. Using in situ TEM, we can simulate real-world conditions by applying electrical currents, voltages, or heat to a sample while observing what happens in real time. For instance, researchers have developed one-dimensional metallic nanowires that can interconnect devices built on two-dimensional materials. Using a process that combines electrical biasing with graphite encapsulation, these nanowires grow in highly specific orientations, which can be followed by in situ TEM. This precise control minimizes contact resistance and energy loss, potentially creating more efficient electronic components. Similarly, it is of high importance to optimize the growth of carbon nanotubes, CNTs, so that their electron field emission source can be used in space propulsion systems. By applying electric fields during synthesis and observing the process in real time with in situ TEM, researchers have discovered how to improve CNT growth and performance. These findings help create better interconnections and reduce energy loss in next-generation devices, directly supporting further miniaturization. So, how is it possible to perform electronic device studies in the TEM and add stimuli to the samples? That's where Protochip's Fusion AX system comes in. Fusion AX combines 4 key steps to streamline your research. Prepare your samples with precision. Collect high-quality data. Analyze under realistic conditions. And publish your findings efficiently. With the Fusion AX system, you place your sample on a MEMS device called an E-chip. These E-chips contain electrical contacts that have been meticulously designed for reliable and reproducible device measurements. The large variety of E-chip designs include specialized E-chips for preparations of nanobatteries or semiconductors to be milled using a focused ion beam and analyzed in situ in the TEM. This unique E-chip design mitigates the common challenges associated with FIB preparation, such as creating unwanted shorts, and makes thinning of both sides of the sample easy for high-resolution imaging. Innovative designs like this allow real devices to be studied for the most relevant information. When collecting data, the Axon Synchronicity software automatically stabilizes your images, records experimental parameters, and keeps notes and data aligned and organized for easy review later. During analysis, the system supports advanced experiments such as 4-point probe electrical analysis for monitoring device changes during use. Smooth beta tilting enables finding zone axis at high resolution while applying the bias for proper structure-function associations. Capture chemical data too, using EDS or EELS in situ for a deeper understanding of the material. Finally, publishing results is more streamlined than ever with Axon Studio. Correlate TEM images with electrical data, create polished videos, and share your findings effortlessly with collaborators and colleagues all around the world. Protochip's Fusion AX system empowers researchers to push the boundaries of what's possible in electronics. Want to learn more? Visit protochips.com.